Hey everyone, welcome to my channel where we turn awesome ideas into infinite creations. My name is Infinite and today I am going to show you how you can create a ebook in less than 30 minutes to an hour. So let's go ahead and get started. So my friend is a mortgage loan officer, and he needed to create a resource for his future clients in regards to credit if you're trying to get a mortgage, right? So I suggested for him to get this tool because I felt like, if you're trying to, depending on what you're trying to do, uh, Designrr will be a really good tool for you to use to expedite your process in giving out valuable information. True enough, uh, the tool, if you're new here, the tool that we're using is AI, but it also has a part in there where you can add your own ideas to the mix, or you can always insert easily and edit. And for the people that were here before I deleted my old channel, I'm glad you're back. I'm glad you found me. I accidentally deleted my last channel because I was trying to update some stuff. So I have to build it from scratch. I only had 25 subscribers, but that's not the point. We're going to have to build it from scratch again, and I'm fine with that. So let's go. If you're here again, it was meant to be. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I made this as an example. This is for excellence in hair care. Excellence in customer service for hair entrepreneurs. And I actually made this cover using ChatGPT, and I really love it. I love the aesthetic. It's up there. Okay, so let's get started. All right. So Designrr.io is the application that we will be using. They do have a $27 one-time payment that you can use. The link will be in the description below. All right, once you're in Designrr, you're going to click on New Ebook. Ebook. We're going to format to a PDF. I'd like to use Word Genie. And we are going to pick a theme, which is going to be okay, credit repair will be business. I guess self-development, kind of other. We're going to click on next. All right, the next part of this tool will generate our title, an outline, as well as a description, uh, and the first paragraph of each chapter, based on your niche. When the AI, when the AI, when the AI will finish generating your ebook, you will be able to edit your new ebook and add more additional, I'll just add that in there, content and publish it. Okay, so this is going to be, okay, so enter your topic and your niche. So this topic and niche is going to be credit repair. I wonder, okay. Let's see here. What would be a good topic in regards to credit repair and getting a mortgage. Come on, chat. Let's go. Let's see. Credit repair secrets for home buyers. How to boost your score for a mortgage. From bad credit to ownership. A roadmap to mortgage approval. I like that one. The mortgage ready credit score. What lenders look for and how to fix your credit. DIY credit repair for first-time homebuyers, simple strategies to secure your dream home, and credit myths that could cost you your home, and what every homeowner must know. So it's definitely not going to be the last one. I like this one. I really like this one. Yep. All right, so our niche and our topic will be this one. From bad credit to ownership, a roadmap to mortgage approval. Okay. So at this point, we're going to pick our sub niche. So I think I might pick the same thing. And you can pick more than one. Okay. All right. So we're going to go back to ChatGPT and say, who is our audience? Straight to the point. Individuals who are looking to purchase their first home but have a poor to average credit score. All right. So it says choose a title from the suggestions. Okay. Let's see. Overcoming credit obstacles, your pathway to ownership. I like that one. Unlocking the door. Guide to. I like the first one. Okay. Okay. So at this point, we're going to figure out what kind of tone do we want. Do we want an informative tone, encouraging, constructive, professional, enthusiastic, humorous, inspirational, educational, sincere, or playful? Let's see here. I want it to be informative. I'm going to make sure I do another video on the other tones because I haven't played with the other tones to see how the information will come out. All right, we're going to click on next. All right, so it says definitely proofread. Anytime you're using AI, make sure you are proofreading anything that it gives you. It doesn't hurt. It's done 95% of the work for you. The least you can do is proofread it. All right. So let's look through this. Understanding your credit. What is credit? The importance of credit in buying a home. Some of the factors. Credit situation. Understanding. Again, about credit. And charge-offs. Credit plan. Okay. Set up a budget. Understanding down payment and closing costs. Building a savings plan. Okay. approval process, pre-approval qualifications, lender finding lender needs, negotiation terms, closing deal, understanding. Wow, this is a lot. Preparing for goals. All right, so we have 10 chapters. We have a 10 chapter outline right in front of us, and the video is 10 minutes long as of right now. So I'm going to click on next. All right, so now at this point, it is going to generate our text for us. It takes roughly about 5 to 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes, I know. It's pretty fast about generating all the information. All right. So I'm not sure how long it's been, but I think it's definitely been less than 5 minutes. Definitely less than 5 minutes. So we have our chapters 1 through 10. Obviously, I'm not going to read this now for the sake of and purpose of this video, but we will go ahead and go to the next thing and figure out what our cover is going to be. So because we got the $27 plan, I understand that these covers are not going to be the best covers in the world, right? So because we know this, we are going to pick a random template. Okay. We are going to delete all of this. We are going to click and delete. Okay. All right, so let's see here. Let me go to Canva. Let's do book cover. Let's see here. I think it's an ebook cover. All right. So, because we are dealing with credit and we're dealing with homes, let's go to Midjourney and see what kind of home we can generate. Let's see here. Oh, you know what? Actually, I I knew I was going to make this video at some point in time, so I actually made a cover for this already, which is, well, no, I didn't make a cover for this because it's for credentialing. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, let's see. I got so many projects. Okay, I can't find it. So we're going to go ahead and just do it from scratch, like for learning purposes. Okay, so now we have a blank cover. So now we are going to go to Midjourney and we are going to do, we can do one of a couple things. Let's see here. Okay, let's see, family. This is cute. This is cute. I want something that's not too, extravagant, but it lets you know you definitely need to get your credit together if you want to reach this, if you want to do this. I like this. Let's see here. Now, see that in that size. So, because I'm not sure how the size is going to be, we're going to do first in a 2x3 and then a 3x4. And once again, you don't have to have Midjourney. You can use whatever AI tool that you would like. Uh, and I might, for the sake of this video, also show you what you can do in ChatGPT if we wanted to get a cover from that tool. Like that one. Okay. So now that I have my image that I think I'm gonna go with, we're just gonna use this for the sake of this video. I'm gonna go ahead and upscale it in my upscaler. I like this home too. I like this one. upscaler. And while that is upscaling, we are going to go back to ChatGPT and see if we can make a cover from ChatGPT. So let me think. If I was using ChatGPT, which I am, what kind of cover would I use? Because the type of cover that I would get from Midjourney is not the type of cover that I would generate from ChatGPT. Let's see here. Let me ask ChatGPT for the sake of this video. So, what kind of cover? Oh, I do not like that. I do not like that. Um, let's see here. I said, how about a close up of someone handing the other person some keys with a home as the back in the background? Yeah, something like that. All right. So we need this. Do I want this animated? Let me see. Show me this in first off 9 by 16. Then show me this animated. I don't like that. Oh. I meant illustration. Right? So, alright, we're going to go here. We are going to upload. Let's do the second one first. Let me see if I like that one. I don't know. This, even though this home is it's a cute home. Nothing's wrong with this home. Let's see. I might go for something a little bit more dramatic. That's a little bit better. Hold up. I don't know if I'm gonna do that color. Let's see here. It's definitely not gonna be it. Let's see here. Okay, this is not going to be our cover, but you can kind of see where I'm going with this. You can easily make a cover using Canva. See here. Okay, let's see what's going on with this box. Like this. You can do a simple cover like this, and like I said, this is just like he's using this for a free resource. So if you know, and I'm not saying that it doesn't look wonderful. I'm not saying that, but what I am saying is that uh, if you finagle it, you can get it to what you want it to look like. So, but for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to flat out design a cover. I'm just showing you it's very possible and very easy using Midjourney. All we did, we upscaled it. We chose a picture which was of a house, a house that we really liked. We upscaled that image. We did a overlay. We copy and pasted the title. We put a box over it, changed the color of the box, and we have a book. I mean, we have a cover. We have a cover. Very simple. If I wanted to, I could take this design. Same thing. Taking it out of ChatGPT. I'm not going to upscale it right now. But with this one, same thing, you know. And obviously I wouldn't leave it like this if I was going to make this my cover. I definitely would not leave it like this. But it's not hard to make a cover using Canva, or at least getting your image out of ChatGPT and upscaling it, putting it in Canva, and put your name at the bottom. Boom, you have your cover. Let's see here. Oh, nope. Boom. Now, I wouldn't leave this like this. You know, I'd have a little bit more pizzazz. I would, change the font. They have this application inside of Canva. It is called Text Maker, and they have a lot of different texts that you can use to do anything with. They do have a lot of pro ones in here, but they also have a lot of free ones as well. So just make sure you check that out in Canva. Like I said, you can easily use ChatGPT to make you a cover. I've made, like I said, outside of, oh, I forgot. I'm about to shut the video down. Okay, let's go ahead and add this on here. So we're going to go with the first one. So once we have our cover, we're going to download this as a JPEG, and we're just going to use the first page. We are going to go back over here to Designrr, and we are going to upload. Boom. Uh-oh. Not boom. What happened? Let's see here. Why is this off? Shouldn't be off. Alrighty, y'all. So we have, well, let me just bring it down some. How much down do I need to bring it? Let's see here. No tool is perfect. Please remember that. No tool is perfect. That was too high. So I hope that's good enough. Let's see here. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay. So once you've went through all your pages, and make sure you definitely go through your pages, you're going to go to your very last page and you are going to delete this page. I'll just delete that. And if you want to insert any other images in your book, you can. Just click on the side. Oh, excuse me. You can click on anywhere on here and just click on images and you can upload them. That is definitely not hard to do. All right. So we have, how many pages do we have? We have 40 pages. Yep. Yep. Okay. So we are going to publish this. That, well, we are going to export it. All right, and now we have our book. So I'm definitely not upset with the cover. The information looks good from, me scanning through it, not actually reading it. But make sure, once again, that you proofread your work. You check for errors, check for something you don't like. You can go back and edit it. Okay? So, let's see here. If you wanted to upload this to Amazon, I have a video. I'll put in the link. I'll put in the descriptions that'll show you the process of putting this book onto Amazon if that is what you would like to do. So if you did not want to put it on Amazon, the other websites that you can do is beacon.ai, which is my website right here. I have an actual website, and as well as I use beacons for my digital products. And you can also use Gumroad and PayHip. So those are three places that if you wanted to keep this only digital, that you can easily upload your PDF onto their websites and sell them. And like I said, very simple, very easy. If you want to turn this into a physical product, I'll put my link below in how you can turn it into a physical product. You can use Bolt. Let me type that in. .io, and I take you through the steps of being able to do that. So if you have any questions, and lastly, one more thing, and if you learned anything, please press the like button. Lastly, I hope you all enjoyed my image stock bundle video that I created. If you wanted to start creating and selling professional stock images using Midjourney. But also I have doing those image bundles has totally 100% inspired me to come out with my magazine that is dropping on the 1st of April. It is called Appetite Magazine. The first issue will definitely be free, and I'm really proud of it. I really am. Am I expert at magazine creations? No, but am I passionate about food and just the essence of creating an experience around food, and like the fact that food brings family together, friends, different cultures, just all those types of things. This magazine is an embodiment of that passion and that aesthetic. So be sure to just check that out. Support your girl. And what did we learn in this video? We learned that there is a tool out here that you can use, which is Designrr.io. The link will be in the description. For $27, you can make your ebook today. And for a couple more dollars, I like to use BookBolt because the formatting is easy. So you can go on BookBolt, upload your PDF, excuse me, and easily format your book. And like I said, I have a video for that, and it'll go through the step-by-step process and establishing that for you. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, like, subscribe, follow me on TikTok, my Instagram, no, not my Instagram. My TikTok's more lit than my Instagram. So make sure y'all follow me. And if you're from my Facebook groups, thank you for coming through. Thank you for learning with me. And I will see you all next time. Bye.